Okay. And in terms of the DNOM program, what are the main themes covered in the DNOM program?
Yes, all of our programs and the DNOM programs cover all the 7 major topics that we like to cover in this field of natural health, specifically original medicine, nutrition, botanical medicine or herbology, alternative medicine, conventional medicine, some professional development course material, and then the finishing program, like the dissertation in the case of the DNOM.
Okay, that's wonderful. And Dr. Jim, why should somebody enroll on the DNOM program? What is it designed to give students that are enrolled?
Yes, excellent question. The DNOM program, the doctoral program, just like any doctoral program, is meant to be an intensive kind of a program. So it is a very integrated and very comprehensive program. And it takes those 7 topics that I talked about earlier, and it really puts some more flesh on the bones. And so the objective is to make sure that that student, that doctoral student, is really equipped and qualified in this most powerful system known to man for health and wellness.
And you mentioned the 7 kind of themes. For those that are just watching this video and they haven't seen the other videos in the series, could you maybe recap those areas
Yes,
again?
yes. Original medicine, and that's the biblically based portion. That's where we differentiate ourselves from all of the other distance learning schools. So original medicine, and then there's nutritional courses. There's botanical medicine, which are the herbal courses. There's the alternative medicine courses. And, we get some questions on why do you have these alternative medicine courses if it's biblically based? And that's a whole different area if you're interested in why we do that. And then there's the conventional medicine, which is what people are familiar with. And you might even ask, okay, this is natural health. But we want our students to be really conversant and understand the broad area of health and wellness. So we go into all of these areas. And then another area of professional development. And then that last area is the finishing programs, either 1 or 2 pages demonstrating what you learned. If it's a certificate program, in the case of DNOM, it's a dissertation where where you really want to make sure that the student understands the material and comes up with a topic and really takes that topic, that health and wellness topic, applying all of what they learned about original medicine, whether it's a health thing or food. And so that's essentially what those 7 theme areas are all about.
Wonderful, thank you. And you mentioned dissertation
Mhm.
in your last point there. Could you tell us maybe a little bit more about how the dissertation works and what you and the rest of the team at IIOM are looking for in a dissertation, and why you even included it in the program at all?
Yes, very, very good question. And the reason for that is, you can go through the material and you can pass all the tests, but the dissertation gives us a way of knowing that the person really can understand and in a very coherent way express that in a meaningful document. So just like any dissertation, whether you go through a distance learning or a brick and mortar school, a dissertation requires a little bit of scholarship. You have to do original work. It's research. You have to provide an abstract. We have to approve that abstract, and then you go through and you provide the flesh, the meat, and the bones of that topic. And we provide a mentor. You and your mentor can work out, first of all, is the topic an appropriate topic and the elements of it. And then that dissertation is reviewed by 1 or more of our staff. I'm a reviewer on some of them as well. So we review it to make sure that the person is demonstrating competence in original medicine for the topic that they chose.
Wonderful. Thank you, Dr. Jim. And just a final question for those that are looking at, hey, they may have busy lives. They've got a lot of life to work with, and there's not too much free time for engaging in further study like the DNOM program. How long can they expect for the program to take to complete? And how much should they kind of be putting in on a weekly basis?
Yeah.
Do you have any thoughts on that?
Yeah, that's a very good question. We give you 5 years, but it can be done in a matter of weeks or months based on what your background is. But we have people who are running lifestyle centers that come into the program, so they're trained in health, but we have a very integrated and very comprehensive program. So they want to get at that higher level, and so for people who are already experienced, they're going to move through the program a lot faster than somebody that comes to us with a bachelor's degree in, say, history or something that has nothing to do with health and wellness. So there's 2 elements involved. The first element is what are you bringing to the table when you come in? And then secondly, your aptitude and your attitude, your motivation, the amount of time you put into it. So the program is 90 credits. If you did a course a month, you can do it in probably 3 years. But if you did it in 2 or 3 courses a month, you can see you can condense that. And with the credits that we give you for academic and life experiences, that shortens that 90 credits. So I had one person who actually was a medical doctor. He was a licensed acupuncturist, and he only requires something like, I think, 15 to 20 credits and the dissertation, which was a piece of cake for him. So he literally finished in, I think, 3 months. But that's the exception. I had a real estate broker who left her was having problems in her practice, and she got it done in 9 months. She was motivated. She opened up a wellness center, and she basically had a practice in 2 different states, but she was very motivated. Some people take the full 4 or 5 years, and we have to give them an extension. But we honor people's personal as well as practical life experiences, and we try to work with them the best we can. But we normally provide full 5 years. It can be done in less than 2 years, though.
Wonderful. Dr. Jim, thank you again for talking us through the DNOM program. And for those that are interested in finding out more about the DNOM or indeed any of our other programs, please do visit our website, iiomonline.org, and you can find out more information about our programs, as well as contact information on how to open a conversation with us if you want to enroll or find out more and speak with one of the team. So thanks again for watching. If you need any more information, please do post a comment under the video or do visit our website and contact us through the information there. Speak soon. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, clicking the bell icon so you're notified whenever we upload.